Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the three-way solenoid because this thing was buzzing, and we also had to replace the gaskets inside the boiler. They were leaking all over the place and they were causing different issues with the machine. So we sealed up the boiler and we replaced the three-way solenoid, and now the machine is working perfectly fine, having excellent flow coming from the group head. That will be pre-infusion. And yeah, it's working perfectly fine. So we're gonna test it out, doing a shot of espresso. Then we're gonna use the hot water. Do you have hot water? Yes. And the steam. I'm gonna clean my cup and warm it at the same time. Oh, sorry. Okay, and hopefully I pick up the right grind settings for this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And that would be a double. It could be a little bit more finer to give it extra crema on the shot, but it's pretty good. Mm-hmm. 2 ounces, which is perfect. And now for the steamer, working perfectly fine, having good pressure. And hot water, where are you? It's on the plate. And hot water as well, having excellent stream, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Breville working once again. So thank you for preparing me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.